This video I will explain why MRI and CT scans are done for the liver. Doctors use MRI and CT scans to take a detailed picture of the liver to find problems like fatty liver, tumors or cancer, cyst or infections, liver damage or cirrhosis, blockage in liver blood vessels or bile ducts. These scans help the doctor to see inside the body without surgery. What is a CT scan? A CT scan uses X-rays to take many pictures of your liver from different angles. A computer joins these images to make a clear 3D picture of the liver. It helps to find tumors, injuries, or liver swelling. How it feels? You lie on a bed that goes inside a big round scanner. You may get an injection of contrast dye to see the liver more clearly. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It is painless, but you need to stay very still. What is MRI scan? A MRI scan uses strong magnets and radio waves, not X-rays, to make detailed pictures of the liver. It shows soft tissues, blood vessels, and abnormal growths more clearly than CT scan in some cases. The MRI experience. You lie on the bed that moves inside a long tube-like machine. The machine makes loud sounds. Earplugs or headphones are given. You may get an injection of contrast dye. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes. It is safe and painless, but you must stay still. What are the difference between CT scan and MRI scan for liver? Technology. CT scan uses X-rays. MRI scan uses magnets and radio waves. Time taken for CT scan is 10 to 15 minutes. Time taken for MRI scan is 30 to 45 minutes. CT scan is good for basic liver problems. MRI scan is better for soft tissue and tumors. CT scan uses radiation but low level. MRI scan no radiation. Cost of CT scan is usually less. Cost of MRI scan is usually more. What kind of preparation you have to do? You may be asked to not eat or drink for a few hours before the scan. You have to tell the doctor if you are pregnant, have kidney problems, have metal implants or pacemakers. MRI may not be allowed. Is it safe? Yes, both are safe when done under the medical advice. MRI is safer for long term use because it does not use radiation.